Some people kill animals for the sake of longevity today. For example, parents kill chickens and lambs to feed their children, hoping they will grow up healthy. A family may kill an animal and stew it into a soup to nourish a patient, hoping he will recover quickly. Such killing does not benefit the diner's health and longevity. On the contrary, it brings them harm. Therefore, if we want to live a long life, we must not engage in killing. Recently, I mentioned that the oldest man to ever live in the world was a vegetarian. Many Buddhists enjoy very long lives and are successful in spreading the Dharma primarily for two reasons. First, they are filled with compassion and refuse to kill or harm even this maliced living being. Second, they do not consume the meat of any living beings, and their food is very healthy, keeping them free from various diseases. The merits and virtues of being vegetarian are extensively discussed in the Lankavatara Sutra. If we practitioners have read and studied the sutra, then not only for the sake of all beings, but even for ourselves, we should adhere to a vegetarian diet.